Good morning, everyone. 11th standard. Now, as per routine, we will perform about new practical in inorganic section. Okay, here is your aim and whole practical. So, first aim to find out cation and anion. Okay, in given salt or solution. Clear? Now, here. Today we will perform about MgSO4 magnesium sulfate. Okay. So here is your magnesium sulfate white powder in a white form powder. Okay. MgSO4 magnesium sulfate. Clear? White powder. Now here physical taste color white powder. So Ba plus 2, Ca plus 2, Mg plus 2. Okay. May be present or order. So here magnesium sulfate orderless or SO4 minus 2 present in this practical. Now we will start with identification of anion. Okay, so you all know about identification of anion test. Tests are given in your manual. Clear? So first of all here dry heating test. Second one dilute sulfuric acid test. Third one KMNO4 test, then concentrated sulfuric acid test, and last one is sulfate phosphate test. Okay. Now in this practical, SO4 minus 2 is present as a negative ion. Okay. So when you perform sulfate test, okay, OS plus dilute HCl, then slightly heat your solution, then add barium chloride BaCl2. So you will get a white PPTs for SO4 minus 2. Okay. So your SO4 minus 2 is present in identification of anion. Clear? Now C section conformation test for SO4 minus 2. So in conformation for SO4 minus 2, here is a true test. OS plus barium chloride, then you will get a white PPTs also. So SO4 minus 2 is present. Okay. And next one is OS plus lead acetate PbCl3COO twice. So you will get again white PPTs for SO4 minus 2. Okay. So here is your conformation of SO4 minus 2. Okay. Now we will discuss about here identification of cation. Clear? In cation, you have to perform 0 group to 6 group. Okay. But in this practical, we will get PPTs in 6 group. Okay. So here is directly test for 6 group. I have written here. Okay, because 0 group is absent, first group is absent, second, third, fourth, fifth group also absent, but 6th group is present in this practical. So in 6th group you have to perform with OS plus dilute NH4Cl plus excess NH4OH plus dilute Na2HPO4 solution. Okay, so you will get a white PPTs for Mg plus 2 in 6th group. Okay, so here is Mg plus 2 identification of cation. And then we have to perform conformation test of Mg plus 2. Okay, so when in conformation test, when you perform OS plus ammonium phosphate, okay, ammonium phosphate test, so you will get a white PPTs. Okay, so your Mg plus 2 is present. Okay, in this practical as a positive ion, Mg plus 2. Okay, so in whole practical, your positive ion is Mg plus 2 and negative ion is SO4 minus 2. So your solution is MgSO4 magnesium sulfate. Okay, now we will perform practical. Okay, now we will perform negative ion first. So first we have to make our solution. Take your powder form, okay, and take a distilled water. So here is your MgSO4 solution. Okay, you can use salt and solution both. Okay, now first of all for negative ion, okay, when you perform dry heating test, then absent, then dilute sulfuric acid test absent, KMnO4 test when you perform, so Epson, okay. And last one, sulfate or phosphate test. So we will perform your first sulfate test. So in sulfate test, OS means original solution plus dilute HCl. You can heat your solution lightly, then add barium chloride. So you will get a white PPTs. It means your sulfate is present in your unknown solution. Now look here. First one will perform negative identification of anion. So here is your magnesium sulfate solution. Here, okay, OS plus you have to add dilute HCl. So here is your dilute HCl. Dilute HCl, okay. Then you have to heat your solution slightly. Okay, here heat your solution. Okay, then you have to add barium chloride. So here is your barium chloride. Okay, barium chloride. I will add barium chloride. Look here. So you will get white PPTs. Okay, white PPTs obtained here. So your sulfate test is present in your unknown solution. White PPTs obtained. That's why SO4 minus 2 is present, okay, as a negative ion. Okay, white PPTs. Now, for confirmation of SO4 minus 2, when you perform here, first test is given with barium chloride. Okay, we have already performed here. OS plus barium chloride, so white PPT is obtained. Then OS plus lead acetate. So we will perform second lead acetate for confirmation for SO4 minus 2. So here is our original solution, okay, plus I will add lead acetate. Lead acetate is here, okay. So we will get again white PPTs in lead acetate. So you can easily observe, okay, white PPTs again obtained. It means your SO4 minus 2 is confirmed. Okay, here SO4 minus 2 as a negative ion in confirmation test. Clear? White PPT is obtained. So your negative ion, now we will discuss and perform about positive. Now in positive, here your 6 group is present, Mg plus 2. Clear? So test is OS plus dilute NH4Cl plus excess NH4OH plus dilute Na2HPO4. So again here we will get a white PPTs for Mg plus 2 in cation. Clear? Identification of cation. Okay. Now here your OS, clear, plus NH4Cl, clear, plus NH4OH. Here is your NH4OH. NH4OH. Clear? Now Na2HPO4. So here is your Na2HPO4. So look here. You will get a white PPTs for Mg plus 2. Okay, identification of Mg plus 2, white PPTs obtained. It means your Mg plus 2 is present in your positive ion. Okay, identification of cation, white PPTs obtained. Clear? For Mg plus 2. Now we will perform confirmation test. Okay, you have to confirm. That's why your confirmation test of Mg plus 2. So test is given here, OS plus ammonium phosphate, then white PPT is obtained. So your Mg plus 2 is present in your unknown solution. Okay, so I will take again OS. Again OS plus ammonium phosphate. So here is ammonium phosphate. Okay, I will add here ammonium phosphate. Okay, ammonium phosphate. So again here white pipid is obtained, okay, in ammonium phosphate. You can see white pipid is again, okay. So your Mg plus 2 is present, white pipid is obtained, that's why your Mg plus 2 is present as a positive ion. Clear? So here is your whole practical to find anion and cation in a given salt or solution. Okay, physical test, then identification of anion, then conformation test of anion, and here identification of cation, then conformation test for cation, Mg plus 2. So as a positive ion Mg plus 2 and negative ion SO4 minus 2. So your formula is MgSO4 magnesium sulfate. Clear? Thank you.